Welcome to the final part of the 4-segment crypto strategy. This lesson is designed to aid you in creating even more income from the profits you will be taking out of the market through the strategy learnt in part 3. Upon taking profits off a trade and selling your crypto back to fiat currency, you have two options. Withdraw the fiat currency back to your bank account, or reinvest the profits back into the market when the price falls and buy in at a better time. Both sound like pretty good options, don't they? Well, that's exactly what you're going to learn in this lesson. After completing the past 3 lessons, you should have taken note of 3 key points in particular. Patience. Patience will determine how long you stay successful in this field and remain profitable over the long term. Taking profits. Profits should always be taken just how you would dollar cost average your buys, gradually and always in small percentages, making sure to never take the entire position off the table. And finally, compound interest. If we consider the percentage gain we made from a rise in the price of an investment as interest, then we consider reinvesting as a way of making this interest compound over time. Once you've understood these principles, you're ready to put them into action. But firstly, I want to know if you've already experienced your first real profits withdrawal, or if you're yet to take profits. If you have already taken profits, great. Your first 3 profit-taking withdrawals should be spent on yourself. You deserve to use this reward to treat yourself and help remove the temptation to splash profits in the future on temporary indulgences. Becoming profitable is no easy task and should be a milestone to celebrate on your achievements. Whether you already experienced this a while ago or if it's just happened, the next step is getting over this temptation and instead using the next profit withdrawal to intelligently reinvest for maximum returns. We are going to follow a simple yet effective split of 70% and 30%, where 70% of the profits you have converted from crypto to fiat get sent back to your bank account for you to spend how you please. This helps you psychologically adjust to reinvesting the remaining 30% without feeling the same commitment as investing the entire amount. Once the 70% is back in your account, the 30% will be very tempting to impulse invest when the market moves in the slightest way. However, as intelligent investors, we have to leverage patience and convert this challenging psychological barrier into profitable opportunities. The strategy is simple. The 30% cannot be reinvested until the price falls $300 to $500 if in the thousands, at least $50 to $300 if price is in the hundreds, $10 to $50 if price is below the $100 region, and finally, if price is below $1 and still in the cents, then the rule is anywhere from a 10% drop and beyond. This rule will provide extraordinary returns if treated religiously and abided by. Before further moves to the upside and new highs are formed, price always follows this pattern of pulling back by these specific amounts. There will be times where you see price continue climbing higher straight after pulling profits, and one of your biggest challenges will be sitting on your hands and letting the market move higher without desperately buying back in to avoid losses. This will take time and extensive periods in the market of experiencing this happen in real time. However, by being patient and sticking to your strategy, you will catch entries way below your profit taking and even entry levels. 90% of the time when price climbs higher, it comes back to at least your profit-taking price before making further highs. The market is volatile enough to make this possible. In the next chapter, you'll be able to combine this with the technical analysis tools to find the perfect entries, take profits, and reinvestment key levels. Just like most content in this course, it will not be what you are currently used to and will require a shift of old habits to these new habits and control of your inner self. The more time you spend analysing charts and watching in real time, the smoother your transition to this mindset is. Even if you do not invest real money during this learning period, mark key points where you would enter a trade, take profits and reinvest. The benefit of having no demo accounts in crypto is that you can practice these strategies as if they're real.